Hey friends, Kevin here with Kev's Castle and CastleRemodel.com. In today's video, you're going to learn how to change a light fixture. I'm going to walk you through all the steps. It'll be quick and easy. I want you to see exactly how I get the job done from start to finish. And first, I'd like to ask you a favor. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you'd like. And I will be sure to post in the description any of the tools or the actual light fixture that I'm using here today. So let's get started. The first step is the most important. You can see there's electricity running to the wires, so I went over to the breaker box to flip the switch that is for that light fixture. After doing so, you're safe to work on the light fixture because there's no power going to it. Now I'm getting the wires ready to work on. I'm pulling them down and making it more accessible. Do not make the mistake I made here and go ahead and put some safety goggles on. That's going to be a big lifesaver in case if you do get some kind of debris or texture or something in your eye. Remove the old light fixture by unscrewing the wire nuts, and then you will want to hook up the new light fixture by connecting the white wire to the white wire that comes out of the ceiling, and in this case the black wire to a red wire coming out of the ceiling, which is the hot wire. I prefer to use the brand new wire nuts that come with the kit because I don't want to take a risk of using an old wire nut that might fall apart. I don't know how old these light fixtures were, and so I prefer to just use all brand new when I'm replacing any. I prefer to go one step further after installing those wire nuts. I will take a small piece of electrical tape, about 4 to 6 inches, and wrap it around, connecting the base of the nut to the wires themselves. That way I'm not worried about anything coming loose while I am putting the light fixture back into its opening. Now we have 3 wires connected. The white is connected to the neutral white wire coming out of the ceiling. The black is connected to, in this case, a red wire, which is hot coming from the ceiling. And then the green or copper wire is connected to the ground wire in the ceiling. There are 2 machine screws in the ceiling that are in the appropriate holes so that it can hook up to the light fixture. I chose to use the new screws that came with the fixture, but you can also use the old ones. They are size 8/32. If you ever need to get more, and I believe these are about 1.5 to 2 inches long. Now it's time to switch the breaker back on. We can turn the light switch on. There are several different color options that come with this fixture, and those are from lowest to highest: the warm white, soft white, neutral white, bright white, and daylight. I like having the soft white color option for inside my home, but feel free to play around with them to see which one works best for you. Now I am putting the cover back on by fitting the cover into the grooves in the light fixture and twisting in a clockwise direction. And there it is. I was able to remove the old light fixture and install this new one. I was able to show you that there were different color options. I choose the soft white color option because I think that's the best for inside my house, in my bedrooms and living area. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below so you can get more videos like this. And if you want to, go ahead and shoot over to my blog. It's at CastleRemodel.com. Thanks for watching.